These New Yorkers are good.
We're just warming up, bro. Oh my God.
You gotta do a tray revert. If you don't land, that's great. All right, guys, we are very excited today to be here in sunny New York. And we're gonna play just a very fast game of skate. Me versus New York. All of New York, go to that wall. That kid just told me I smell like pizza. Go, New York, go!
No,
okay.
we're Rochambeau. I'm for the group,
Aaron.
and you're for Braille skates.
And you are gonna be the judge.
I'll be the judge. You're that, I'm the judge.
You ready?
Rochambeau.
On 3, this is, wait, do you guys do it on 4?
We do Rochambeau.
Rochambeau. I've been lied to my whole life. Okay, you ready?
Rochambeau.
Rochambeau.
New York, that's how we do it. Back up, New York.
Look at him. He cheated on me.
It was so random. He's going first. He's going first. Yo, can we go to a real flag ground though? That's where the locals play. That's where we go. Let's go to the side, boys.
Back up, Brody.
Okay, so this is where they play. This is where the locals play. So I just need a quick minute to get ready, okay?
Okay, quick minute. Do your stretches. Push-ups, 2 push-ups.
Okay, we ready? Who's first?
So who goes after me? Yo.
Me.
No, I mean if I bet.
We don't know. We don't know. You don't start a game with switch, dude. This is the East Coast. What is this? Okay, hold on. I gotta get warmed up, dude. Let's go. Oh no!
I'll get the rebate. It seemed like toe drag.
That's good on defense.
Yeah, I get that. Yep.
Pick your next guy.
Right here.
You got this? Okay, let's go.
Yo, break the ankles.
Break the ankles, bro.
Don't break the ankles, dude. King of Jim, Kyro! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I'm gonna start it out easy for you.
Come on, do it for Bronx, yo. That counts.
We're gonna down that hill. It's okay. It's New York.
It was
Defense
sketch, but
is
it
okay.
counts. But it counts.
I need to be able to breathe.
Watch him backside.
Pick your man. Pick your man.
Pick someone.
I got you right here.
Get my man right here.
Oh my God!
That's 62 for you.
Yeah.
Chelsea P is 62. That's how we do it.
That was beautiful.
Oh yeah, that's my man for punch up. Come on. What are we at right now?
Yes.
And
Nothing.
Nothing.
Pablo got it.
Him? Pablo. These New Yorkers are good. We need some space, though. We need some space, people. Heel flip? You trying to call me out?
Yeah.
Okay, New York, let's go.
Party super skateboarding.
Okay.
Braille drop.
Too many people in the way. I can't breathe. I can't move. Go ahead.
You got it.
I can't promise anything.
We're on skateboarding, baby.
Shove revert.
And then go the whole way, but shove revert.
Yeah.
Shove revert.
We take that. Dang. Good.
Go back.
everybody back up. Back up. It's getting too small. Back up.
I can't breathe, dude.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
That's good.
Need space, dude.
My man's right here.
Right here.
He got Trey.
Get it.
That boy good. Okay?
Never mess with New York.
Don't mess with New York, people. All right. I'm going to do this one for Newark, okay?
Newark. Yeah,
Peter from New Jersey? No, not from Jersey. They said, don't even joke around like that. Who has knowledge? What is this kind of cheater? You can just pick somebody. That's how we do in New York. Okay, who's got knowledge flip? Give it to him. If we run out of him, who cares? Just do it. Just try it. Wait, is that Nolly? Yeah. Well, that's what I got in my bag here. I need space. I can't do any tricks right there. Dang. That was good. All right, you're up. Who's next?
I don't know.
No! Wait, what do they got? K. K?
New York, you're letting me down, bro.
Sex change.
I don't count that.
Let our guy in the green go right here.
Full closet.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Let me get a year. Ollie, and I said, I can do that.
Aaron and Bobby don't even got that.
I'm local too.
No, you got this.
Let's go! Oh!
That was good. I'm not gonna lie. Shay.
Jay, like Jay. You got it.
Hey! That's an A!
Ah! We're just warming up, bro. We're not done.
Oh!
That's why.
Go back to the line.
Oh!
That was great. That was good.
Hardest trick of my life. Hardest trick ever.
Does. Nope.
Michael!
You got
Three shots.
Marshall!
Elijah!
3 shots? You trying to kill me? You're G.
I want to get the logo.
Oh! Wait, New York, that's a T!
Oh, nah.
Aaron, you know what to do.
You know what we're doing? We're just waiting till the end and we're gonna spank it, bro.
Max.
That's what we're gonna do. Watch.
That's how New York
You
rolls
know
it.
what to do,
New York
Kyro.
style.
Oh my God. Who got that? Anybody? Jay, anybody?
Somebody here has this. Where's the dude in the Thrasher hoodie? He got it. We got him. What's your name?
Peter.
Where are you from?
Denver, Colorado.
Denver, Colorado? Oh, wait, get over here, New York.
Bro, I seen him skate here. He moved here for college. What are you saying?
So I'm going to ask you again.
Yeah, I moved here.
I'm going to say where are you from, and you say, where are you from?
No, that's where he was born. That's
New York, dude.
Yeah, New York.
Oh, New York! You got to do a Trey Reaver.
All right, I'll try it.
If you don't land, that's great. I knew you had it. That boy good. That boy too good.
What?
Somebody got this.
Double kickflip?
Yeah, double kick. You got 2 tries. Double, bro. Double. Wow, bro.
I gotta tell you something, bro. Just the real locals are not here right now. The really good ones. Tyshawn is not here right now. If Tyshawn was here,
We love New York. We love New York.
Try again.
I just want to say something, bro. Thank you to Braille. Thank you for coming out to our local, not LES. Nobody. Nobody doesn't like him. Also, follow me on Instagram, lil.zappo.
Hit him up.
CAPPO.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. Thank you, New York. 1, 2, 3.